Hi, my name's Janelle Livett and I'm a digital marketer. I like to sell digital products and I started a brand new program in January this year and I am loving it. And my reason for being a digital marketer is so that I can help more people be in a better financial situation. There's a lot of people looking to start a business online and there's a lot of businesses out there that will teach you different ways of doing it. But not all of them have structure, not all of them are aimed at people with little to no tech skills, and not all of them will be suitable for everybody. The program I'm in is called the Legacy Builder program. I like it because I didn't need a lot of tech skills. I had a ready-made business ready to go. All I had to do was edit a few things, put my name on them, put my name on my website, connect my domain to my automated freedom system, and I was ready to go. Now there is other things we need to learn. We need to learn how to create content. And on this video channel, I'm going to be sharing some tips about the best way to make your content, what your content should contain, how you can make content that people will love to watch and keep watching, and also different ways to get your message out there to your ideal customer. It's very important for you to be able to connect with your ideal customer, and the best way to do this is to think about your avatar. And usually your avatar is someone that was just like you a few years ago. And I always think of myself and I think about, why did I buy this business? And the reason I bought this business is because I spent my life in the hospitality industry and it was hard work. It was working long hours on my feet, lifting, pulling, slipping, burning myself, cutting myself, and being away from my family, more importantly. I spent every weekend working. I used to do 2 jobs when my kids were little. I'd be in a hospital system from 5:30 in the morning to 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and then after that I'd be going to a restaurant from 4 to 11. And my kids were brought up basically by my mother. And if I could do my time over again, I wouldn't want that. So that's why I want to get the word out about how new parents can actually start to create their own business online and spend time at home with their family and not have to leave them with other people to bring up. You can do this business around your spare time. Now, just be careful when you're looking online for businesses. Make sure you look at the reputation. Make sure you look that there are people having success, and do your due diligence. That's why we like people to get into our automated system, because we have emails that go out to them and it tells them more about our program and what it involves to get this program up and running and what it involves to maintain it and get sales. And before you make any money, you can make an informed decision about whether or not you want to purchase this program. We've got 38,000 people and counting. It's always going up in our community, digital growth community. These people have purchased the program. So every single person in there has purchased the program. Now, I joined this program in January of 2024 and there was 8,000 members. Now there's 38,000 members. So that will show you the growth of this program. That will show you that you've got a high converting offer to sell. And we give you master resale rights. So you get 100% of your profit put into your bank account. It's a great system because you don't have to wait for your money. If you were doing affiliate marketing, you'd have to wait until you had like $100 before you could withdraw your clickbank money. If you were doing network marketing, you'd have to wait till a certain day in the month before you could get your money. This way it goes straight into your PayPal account. That's important. It's important to be able to access your money. I was in another program that was hosted on Warrior Plus, and we had to get 5 sales before we could take our money out. Now, we didn't even realise that until we'd made sales and said, how come I can't get my money out? And it was because you needed 5 sales on that platform. And I got to 4 and I had 4 for ages and ages and ages. So I couldn't withdraw that money, which was pretty crazy. It was like $2,000 US. And that was annoying. So I'm so glad with this program it just goes straight into my PayPal account. So when you're looking for a program, look how you get paid, look when you get paid, look at the refund period, if there's a refund period. Look how those refunds are going to affect you. Make sure that the vendor you're buying it off is legit and helpful and there for you. Make sure you've got support in your program, because if there's no support, it's really hard to get going. It's hard to do a business on your own. You can actually watch YouTube channels to YouTube videos until the cows come home. But unless you actually have some mentoring from a successful person and follow in the footsteps that successful people have taken, you're guaranteed to not be successful. Now, you may not fail straight away, but you'll have less chance of success than if you actually had a mentor. Make sure you do your due diligence. If you want to see our system, there'll be a link down in the description. I'll be sending you out some emails. I'll be showing you some customer testimonials. I'll be showing you and giving you the confidence if you decide to purchase that it's the right thing to do. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again on my channel. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, because I'll be doing some tips and tricks and some really good content for you in the coming months. Thanks for listening. Catch you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.